Today I'm going to be showing you how to use one of Kenro's self-adhesive photo blocks. These blocks are made of MDF, they are really lightweight, and they're finished with this stylish black edge for a contemporary frameless photo display. You can hang them on the wall in portrait or landscape using these larger holes in the back of the block, or you can display them on any flat surface using these smaller holes and the included stand, like so. You're going to need a few things to get the best result. I like to have a self-healing cutting mat, a sharp craft or Stanley knife, and a metal ruler. There are loads of different methods that you can use for this, but this is one of my favorites. Now these blocks are made slightly smaller than standard photo sizes. This is just to make sure you get a nice clean edge-to-edge result with no crooked bits or white gaps. So we will need to trim a little bit of excess photo once we've placed it on the block. For the cleanest result, you could also wear cotton gloves to make sure you don't get any fingerprints on anything here. It's worth remembering that the adhesive on these blocks is really strong and it's permanent, so once your photo touches the glue, you will not be able to make any adjustments. Okay. Now, before you start, make sure that you've got your block the correct way up. This is super important. Remember, the large holes go at the top, the small holes go at the bottom. Do not accidentally flip it the wrong way over. The actual process is super quick and easy. First, we have to remove the protective paper. Make sure that the block is still oriented correctly when you put it back down. Next, take your metal ruler and line the flat edge up against the edge of your photo block and hold them tight together. Then take your photo, press the edge of the photo against the metal ruler and lower it down onto the block. Give it a little polish here to take any fingerprints off, any dust that it might have picked up. And then turn it over on the mat and run your sharp craft knife along the edge of the block to trim any excess photo, but be very careful here not to cut or mark the edge of the block with your knife. Pull away the excess paper. If it hasn't quite cut through, don't just pull it off because that's going to give you a fuzzy edge. Pick up your knife again and just run it back down until the paper comes away cleanly. And that is it. And then it's good to display. You can hang it on a wall or display it wherever you like around your home. Enjoy!